that is working principle of transformer. Working principle. So we have a magnetic circuit. Already we have studied magnetic circuit. So keeping fundamentals of magnetic circuit, we can understood the working of this transformer. So here, if this primary winding is supplied with AC supply, it will circulate AC current I1. If there are N1 number of turns and here N2 number of turns, so as supply voltage is V1 equal to Vm sin omega t, that is sinusoidal voltage, it will produce sinusoidal current. I1 will be what? Im sin omega t. So this current will help primary winding to produce flux, because MMF in primary winding will be what? N1 I1, and we know what is role of MMF. MMF is responsible for producing flux. So this MMF will produce flux phi. As current is sinusoidal, flux will also be sinusoidal, and this flux will be given by phi equal to phi m sin omega t. Right? So this is also sinusoidal. So when alternating current is flowing by Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, in primary winding EMF E1 will induce, that is given by minus N1 d phi by dt. So EMF is induced in primary winding, and minus sign is showing that this EMF is going to oppose the supply voltage directly. Now this flux, which is sinusoidal or alternating, this flux is passing from this core and it is reaching to secondary winding. So when alternating flux is linking with N2 turns, there will be EMF induced in secondary winding, that will be given by minus N2 d phi by dt. Keeping in mind that there is no leakage, right? Flux leakage is negligible, right? So power is now transferred from primary circuit to secondary circuit through this magnetic path without any electrical connection. Mind you, there is no electrical connection between primary winding and secondary winding. So this is how power is transferred in transformer from one circuit to another circuit, primary side to secondary side. Right, here EMF induced will be E2, and here EMF induced, E2, and here EMF induced will be E1, and terminal voltage will be V2. So as AC voltage is supplied, EMF will induce by Faraday law of electromagnetic induction in primary winding. The alternating flux will pass through secondary winding, resulting in induction of EMF in secondary, that is given by minus N2 d phi by dt. By this, power is transferred. So this is all about the working principle. Now coming to EMF, because what is the value of EMF induced in primary and secondary winding? So they are asking